Grab him from his mouth, honey. There. Relax. Pull him up. Keep reeling. Hey, get close to him. Good. Relax. You don't gotta pull up. Just keep pressure on him. He's coming up. Honey, stop. Yeah, just keep pressure on him. Okay, relax. There he is. Oh shit! Woo! Okay, relax. Don't stop pulling back like that. Just keep reeling. There you go. Grab him from his mouth. Inside his lip. Grab him. Good. Holy shit! Turn it towards me, girl. Nice. All right, take his hook out. Put him there on your lap. You want to weigh him?